Yeah. Right, I'm in my pants.
You can see
That's all I
pants.
got, so I wasn't expecting to see this.
Okay, I'm going to pan up to the waterfall.
There's the waterfall. We found an amazing waterfall. And it's too good an opportunity to miss. But I think it might be bloody freezing. But anyway, it's going to be worth a swim. Okay.
Oh my.
That's cold. That's really cold. Whoa! I don't have very long. I'm going to go for it. Oh my god. Oh. I can feel the spray. Freezing spray. Oh, oh my god. Okay. Right. Here we go. Ah. Ah. Yeehaw. It's so cold, my legs don't want to work anymore. Oh, yeah. But that was cool. Woo! Yeehaw! Yeehaw! I'm tired. Oh, I now gotta get dry before the park warden comes to arrest us. This is private, or I get pneumonia. Bye! Bye!